We're big fans of the Pixel 8 lineup, prominently featuring it in our top smartphone rankings. Google consistently impresses us with its innovative approach to both hardware and software, providing a unique experience and feature set unmatched by any other company. On the other hand, Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, takes a different approach by focusing on enhanced processing power while leveraging its highly esteemed and continually evolving One UI Android experience. As these two smartphones are poised to dominate discussions, the question arises, which one deserves your investment? Given their distinct characteristics, one is sure to capture your attention more than the other.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Let's start with design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains a familiar look and feel, closely resembling its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. This continuity is a positive aspect, as Samsung has artfully amalgamated design elements from leading manufacturers, delivering a remarkably premium device that aligns with its reputation as one of the top-tier smartphones available today. A notable and much-anticipated improvement in the S24 Ultra lies in its perfectly flat screen, providing a more uniform touch experience and seamless integration with the stylus. The S Pen stylus effortlessly slots into the Ultra's boxy frame, offering users an additional dimension of functionality that sets it apart from the Pixel. On the flip side, the Pixel 8 Pro proudly wears its Google identity, marked by heavily rounded corners, a distinctive camera visor, and the signature porcelain and bay color options. It unmistakably screams Google Phone. Despite its considerable size and weight, the Pixel 8 Pro is not only visually appealing, but also comfortable to hold, presenting a distinct alternative to its primary competitor. Both phones boast robust physical build quality, meeting the flagship standard with their durable constructions and IP68 protection ratings. Notably, the Pixel 8 Pro stands out in Jerry-Rig Everything's durability test, a feat not achieved by some other smartphones of similar size. Yes, we're talking about you, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Assuredly, both devices are designed to endure the test of time, provided you handle them with reasonable care throughout their entire software update lifespan. In the realm of display excellence, the competition between the S23 Ultra and Pixel 8 Pro escalated into a visual showdown. Google's flagship, the Pixel 8 Pro, confidently steps into the ring with an almost audacious peak brightness of 2400 nits, accompanied by HDR10+ support and an impressively smooth 120Hz variable refresh rate. The display, built on LTPO OLED technology, is a spectacle, boasting an incredible 500 dpi pixel density and fortified with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. However, Samsung, not one to back down, responded assertively with the S24 Ultra. This model pushes the brightness boundaries even further, claiming a staggering 2600 nits peak brightness. Remarkably, it matches the Pixel in HDR capabilities, refresh rate, and pixel density. Undoubtedly, we are witnessing a clash of titans in the display department. In essence, when it comes to choosing between these two devices, the display quality is not likely to be a deciding factor. They stand shoulder to shoulder in the realm of high-end smartphone displays, and it's hard to find fault with either. Samsung's One UI Android interface rightfully garners acclaim for its intuitive design, providing users with an out-of-the-box experience that is both user-friendly and easily customizable. While it deviates from stock Android, it does so in several commendable ways, particularly in its emphasis on user-friendly customization, a feature we wish more manufacturers would embrace. The S24 series builds on this solid foundation with the integration of Galaxy AI machine learning features. These enhancements cover a range of functions, from swift photo editing tools for removing reflections or adding background blur to real-time language translation, smart transcription, and even the ability to search by circling parts of an image. On the other hand, Google's Android implementation offers a distinctive experience. It features a relatively locked-down launcher and provides a slightly less extensive level of customization. While Google occasionally addresses user feedback with updates that offer more flexibility, the company maintains a clear vision of how its phones should be used and guides consumers in that direction. One of the standout strengths of the Pixel 8 lineup lies in its feature-focused software approach. Google introduced machine learning features first, encompassing areas such as video capture, enhanced zoom, and audio transcription with background noise removal. In a noteworthy tie, both Samsung and Google are actively participating in the current software support arms race. Both have committed to providing a full 7 years of software support for their latest flagships, ensuring users receive 7 Android version updates, along with security patches over the same period. While we openly express our admiration for the Pixel 8 Pro, it's evident that, unlike some other devices, it doesn't claim the title of the fastest phone. The Google Tensor G3, powering the Pixel 8 Pro, is undeniably a swift SoC, but it falls short of matching the performance levels achieved by the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the Galaxy. Ironically, Samsung itself manufactures the Tensor G3 on behalf of Google. The unvarnished truth remains that the Tensor family has never fully rivaled Qualcomm's chipset design and performance. The latest Snapdragon SoC iteration elevates performance by replacing one efficiency core of the Gen 2 with an additional high-powered core, coupled with increased memory bandwidth and a modest upgrade in instruction set architecture. For those who prioritize a seamless experience without stuttering or slowdowns, the S24 Ultra stands out as an unrivaled powerhouse. It houses the most potent chipset seen outside of Apple's A17 Pro, solidifying its position as the best-performing Android platform to date. While the Google Tensor empowers Pixel's machine learning features, it does come at a cost, drawing more power, running a bit hotter, and processing numbers slightly slower. In the past, we granted Tensor some leeway due to its machine learning capabilities, but Samsung appears to have made significant strides in this regard as well. There's one notable caveat, albeit slightly unfortunate. The EU version of the S24 Ultra is equipped with one of Samsung's in-house Exynos processors instead of the 8 Gen 3. Samsung provides reasons for this choice in certain markets, but it's worth noting that the flagship Exynos SoCs haven't demonstrated the same performance as Qualcomm's chips. This is something to consider if you're purchasing outside the US market. Just a few years ago, Samsung faced widespread criticism from consumers and industry experts for its image processing and overall approach to photo and video implementation. However, as we step into 2024, the narrative has significantly evolved. Today, the most notable complaint about Samsung's camera setups is that the photos tend to be a bit on the saturated side. The camera setup on the S24 Ultra paints an impressive picture, featuring 4 rear lenses. The well-received 200-megapixel main camera is back, accompanied by an ultra-wide lens and a pair of telephotos offering 3x and 5x zoom capabilities. While the true performance remains to be seen until a comprehensive review is conducted, there are high expectations for this array. However, it would be a mistake to declare the S24 Ultra as the undisputed leader in the smartphone photography realm. The Pixel 8 Pro, equipped with a triple rear camera setup, comprising main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, offers one of the most extensive feature sets in any phone camera. At present, both camera systems demonstrate exceptional capabilities. The Pixel 8 Pro takes the lead in simplicity, providing unmatched point-and-shoot performance. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra's additional telephoto lens introduces added versatility, making it the go-to choice for those inclined toward capturing shots from a distance. While the Pixel 8 Pro comes with a substantial $1,000 manufacturer's suggested retail price, it's actually reasonably justified for a device with such innovative features and refined capabilities. Notably, Google seems to have set its sights on the upcoming release of the S24 family, evident in the current $200 discounts, making the Pixel 8 Pro available at a compelling $800. Stepping into a higher price bracket, the S24 Ultra commands a $1,300 base price, marking a $100 increase from its predecessor. While this uptick in cost is not entirely unexpected, it places the new flagship under scrutiny, demanding that it meets all expectations to justify the considerable investment. In short, choosing between the S24 Ultra and Pixel 8 Pro poses a challenge. While the S24 Ultra impresses with improved performance, its similarity to the S23 Ultra raises expectations for more innovation. Our preference leans towards the Pixel 8 Pro for its fantastic features and significantly lower price points. The Pixel 8 Pro's novel, interesting, and practical user experience, coupled with its affordability, tips the scale in its favor. Despite the S24 Ultra's strengths, the Pixel 8 Pro stands out as a compelling choice in this tech showdown, even prompting Galaxy enthusiasts to consider making the switch. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.